Good evening, everyone. So Sniper Jim here for this evening's box break of Black Diamond. So let's hope it's a good box break. Thank you to all of you for bidding. So proof that the auction has finished. The Washington Capitals were the last team for auction. And as we can see, it has finished there. I'll be opening the box here in Ottawa, so Eastern Standard Time on Monday, July 18th at 10:58. We will start the box break. So, Black Diamond box. We got the number on this box, which is NE 903-68109. That's our number there. So we got 24 packs in this box plus 5 cards, and then there's 5 cards per pack, plus there is a bonus pack inside where we might find Ice Premier rookie cards. So for the YouTube video, most likely we will have 2 videos because this will be a lengthy process, as all cards will be shipped. If you do not get any cards and you have paid the shipping, I will refund you your shipping. So let's get started. So that'll be our bonus pack. We will save that pack to the very end. As you can see, box is empty. Let's get started. So single diamond, Brian Gionta. We have a single diamond, Michael Leighton. We have a filler. Single diamond, Ales Hemsky. Single diamond of James Van Riemsdyk. And single diamond of Antoine Vermette, Columbus. Our second pack. New York Rangers, Vaclav Prospal, single diamond. Dustin Brown, LA Kings, single diamond. We have our first triple diamond. This is Henrik Sedin of the Vancouver Canucks. So Henrik Sedin, triple diamond, Vancouver Canucks. We have yet another filler. Single diamond, Buffalo Sabres, Jason Pominville. And single diamond, Thomas Plekanec, Montreal. So third pack, got a single diamond, Sean Horkoff. Single diamond, Lee Stempniak, Phoenix. We have a double diamond, Florida Panthers, Thomas Vokoun. Yet another filler. Alex Kovalev, Ottawa Senators. And Craig Anderson, Colorado Avalanche, single diamonds. So single diamond, Dallas Stars. Single diamond, Ryan Malone, Tampa Bay. Valtera Filppula, Detroit. This is a single diamond, but this is ruby. So Detroit Red Wings, Ruby, number 28 out of 100. Valtteri Filppula. Another filler. Devin Setoguchi, the Sharks. Next year going to be playing for Minnesota. And Brian Elliott, Ottawa Senators. Single, David Booth. Evander Kane, Atlanta, going to play in Winnipeg next year. UC Jokinen, Carolina. Another filler. JP Dumont. And another Valtteri Filppula, this one. Just a single diamond, not the ruby. J.S. Giguère, Toronto, single diamond. Jakub Voracek, single diamond, Columbus. We have a triple diamond. This is Phil Esposito, triple diamond. Filler, Pekka Rinne, and Milan Lucic in Boston. Single diamond, Saku Koivu, Anaheim. Single diamond, Alexander Burrows in Vancouver. We have a filler. Another Vancouver Canuck, Ryan Kessler. Sam Gagner, Edmonton Oilers. And Tim Gleason, single diamond, Carolina. So we have a Mike Modano. He's in a Dallas jersey, but it will be going to the Red Wings. As we see, it does say Red Wings. So Mike Modano for the Detroit Red Wings, single diamond. Michael Samuelson, Vancouver Canucks. Dan Boyle, native of Ottawa, San Jose Sharks. Filler. Brendan Morrow, Dallas Stars. And Guillaume Latendresse, Minnesota Wild. And I just realized the Dan Boyle is a double diamond. So we got Alexander Semin, Washington. Will he be with the Capitals much longer? Thomas Holmstrom, Detroit. We have a double diamond for the Philadelphia Flyers, Chris Pronger. Filler. Brandon Dubinsky, single diamond. And Steve Mason, single diamond. Brad Boyce, St. Louis, single diamond. Dustin Penner, Edmonton, single diamond. Semyon Varlamov, Washington, single diamond. And I already ruined the thing here, but we have for the New Jersey Devils, a quad jersey of Peter Stastny. So Peter Stastny, quad jersey for the New Jersey Devils. So a good hit for the New Jersey Devils. We got a single diamond for Chicago, Patrick Sharp. And a single diamond, Marty Turco. Marty Turco will be going to the Chicago Blackhawks. Single diamond, Brent Seabrook. Single diamond for Brian Little. We have our first rookie gem, triple diamond, Casey